In this video, you will learn how to increase Cash App borrow limit. Increasing your Cash App borrow limit is simple. Follow these simple steps. Check if borrowing is available to you. First, confirm whether you have access to the Cash App borrowing feature. It is being gradually rolled out. It's only eligible for people in the US. To check, open Cash App, tap the profile icon and see if there's a borrow option available under the banking tab. Cash App determines eligibility based on borrowing. This can be creditworthiness. The Cash App may access your credit history, spending habits and other financial data to test your borrowing limit. Also, completing your profile, make sure you verify your identity and your profile. The borrowing limit typically ranges from $200 to $20. To increase your Cash App limit, periodically access your account and the limit will raise based on the amount of time you've paid it back. Make sure to repay any borrowed funds at the time. This could be a factor on Cash App considering to increase your borrow limit. Always pay in full. Do not just pay the minimum payment. That shows you are responsible. Keep your account active. Make sure to regularly use your Cash App card for daily purchases and other activities. This can help improve the chances of you getting a higher borrowing limit. If you have used Cash App for a consistent amount of time, see if you have access to a higher spending limit. You can even reach out to Cash App support to inquire about the eligibility of a higher spending limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.